Hey, 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 what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I've got a pretty interesting bunk model for you, and it's a floor plan that I have not really done too many of, on my channel here over the past couple of years. It's an open concept bunk model with the bunks in the back that are kind of part of the living room. This is something that is to keep down on weight, keep down on cost. This is something that I could see, my family really taking out and enjoying, because you still get privacy, but you're not pulling this big, humongous, bunk room. This is the 2024 Durango Half Ton 286 BHD. Now be careful with the half ton up front. Most half tons are not going to be able to pull this. It's 10,500 pounds, for the GVWR, and it's just the way that the weight sits is usually not conducive for a half ton. There are some that can do it, but just be careful with that. I don't want you getting any type of crazy ideas. All of the rest of the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, will be down in the description, along with a link for the pricing. So if this is something that interests you, you got the tools to access, that. We're going to start off on the inside, work our way around the outside. If you guys find some value in this video, if you guys like my style, hit that like and subscribe button. I do daily RV content, and there's all sorts of content for everybody too. There's long tours like this, 3-minute tours on Facebook, 60-second tours with just music if you just want something kind of fun to scroll real quick. But yeah, 2024 Durango Half Ton 286 BHD. And this will not be, the longest tour, because this is really kind of what you're seeing for the living room. But one thing that I do enjoy, even though the floor plan is kind of compact, I guess you could say, it still feels pretty large and pretty roomy. It's not cramped up. You got a big old super slide right here with really nice tall, high slides. I also like the appearance of it. I think it looks really sharp, kind of with that tan on tan look. Just really nice. You're also going to notice no carpet, so it's kind of, the flooring there really blends in well, but a lot of rainy day space just to kind of jump around. I could see my 2.5-year-old out here kind of doing her thing, acting crazy, coloring. You got your power theater seating with the built-in USBs with heat and massage, 2 cup holders, and a place to put some remotes. So for the slide height, I'm 6 feet tall. You're probably looking at, what would you say, probably 6'2", something around that nature. And you got big old windows. I do dig the windows in the Durangos. The dig in the Durango. You're also going to have the old nightshade, the Dracula shade, baby. Stop the old skin from sizzling. You got screens in on all the windows. And then over here, you have a nice U-shaped dinette that drops down to make some more sleeping space. So you just kick out the legs, drop it on those little nubblies, and you are good to go. You also have a little bit of a storage tote underneath, which is nice. You're either going to have a roller or the storage tote or nothing. So I like the fact that you do get the storage tote in the Durangos. Flip it around here, which, by the way, I should probably show you the entertainment section, because I want to make sure that you know that you got it. Overhead storage, so plenty of kind of, extra stuff right there. In my family, that would probably turn into just a whole bunch of junk just crammed on in. But you got the copper tab for the magnetic latch, so that way when you're driving, you don't have to worry about things falling out. You got probably probably about a 40-inch TV or so. That sounds about right, just kind of eyeballing it. But you got a little opening here, sound bar, so that way you can get bumping, and then the Inaflame, which is going to be enough heat for this main room, no problemo, even on a chilly day. And then you also have your fuse box and another little storage area, along with an outlet. But you flip it around, really, really nice size refrigerator. Really digging that. I think that is pretty darn snazzy. Whether you're packing away some brewskis or packing away, a whole bunch of food, you got the space to do it. Pull that off real quick. I mean, look at that. That is calling my name for a good weekend, I can tell you that. And then even the travel lock on these, which I seem to be forgetting to always do, even these are pretty nice. You just down is lock, up is not locked. Got a little ice maker there. Really everything that you could want. And then right here, you got the solid surface countertops, but it's the hard, or not solid surface countertops, I'm sorry. It's the hard wrap plastic countertops. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. So again, keeps down on cost, keep down on weight, and more than likely, you probably won't ever tell, and you probably don't even care that it's there, but you are saving, probably $1,000 just by having that, or maybe 2,000. Heck, I don't know what the heck countertops go for, but you're saving some good money. And I got to be honest with you, I've never seen this microwave, and I've been in RVs for 11 years selling and making videos for 4. What in the world is that front? power level, time cook, kids meals. You got a kids meals mode? Dude, I'll tell you what, I need to make a video just on just camping microwaves. They have the goofy stuff. I've seen stir fry mode, I've seen slim fry mode, and now I've seen kids meals. I mean, what is a, whatever, I don't know. What is a kids meal compared to microwaving just anything else? That, it just cracked me up. That is awesome. Real hardwood there for the cabinets, so it's not kind of that veneer wrapped. But you also get the stainless steel under kids meal, stainless steel undermounted bowl, and then the high-rise faucet, whoosh, 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 hitting those dishes from all angles. And then bada bing. You got the countertop to go on top of it, and you also got a little garbage can right there. 4 pull-out drawers, all looking just like that. 3 stovetop burner, along with a place for, you know, maybe like a Keurig or a blender, you know, whatever it is that you want to do. Pots and pans can go in there. More outlets for you. But this back bunk room is pretty darn cool. You know, I don't know what the weight rating is on it, but some of the other ones were 500 pounds. So I'm going to guess that. But I would say at minimum, you're looking at 250, you know, 300. You also have a window on both sides too, which is really nice. So you don't have to worry about any type of arguing over a view. You also have outlets on both sides too as well. Little steps to kind of help you get up. And then you got a place for, you know, some clothes and whatnot. And then a little privacy wall. But drop a comment. Let me know what you think so far. Give me some feedback. You got 2025s coming out, so I'm really excited to see what all these different brands are going to do. This is going to be the really kind of the year of innovation for just about everybody, it seems like. New floor plans, crazy floor plans, man. Stuff that I can't even really talk about yet, but you're going to be seeing in the next 2 months. It is... People are either going to love it or people are going to hate it, but we will see. You'll still have the classic floor plans, though, so don't worry. Handrail to get up in. You also get the one-touch system right here. So this is on like the slide modes, but you can also click that, and now you have like all your different lightings, your awnings, you know, all that good stuff. HVAC. You can also control that right there. Porcelain foot flush Thorono Ruski. You also got enough room to actually do the darn thing, and then you got places for your towels. You got the old steamer sink sucker 3000, so really nice and powerful fan. And then you have a shower that is not massive, but it's not exactly, you know, tiny like some of those corner radiuses. So even like when you know, shut the door, you know, you can see I got plenty of room, and I'm a fairly, you know, big guy. You got 6'2" up into here, probably 6'6" up into here. And then, oh, what's that? Is that a bowling gun? Right there's the old bowling gun, baby. Outlets, countertops. You have the gas water heater, so the Furrion on-demand water heater. So you're going to get pretty much instantaneous heat that'll last, you know, as long as you have propane. 3 of those. And then that is pretty darn deep. I mean, I got average length arms, and I can't even touch the edge there. So that's pretty cool. And that was right up to the old pits. So right here, you got a queen bed north to south with storage there up underneath. And you can see you got plenty of storage all up and around as well. Really good storage under here, actually. Wow, usually when they're like that, they're that kind of that little short storage that only goes maybe like 3 feet. There is a step up into here, which is a little bit different, but, you know, that's okay. You're also noticing you got hands-free, you know, up there too, which is nice. USBs and outlets, so you got places for, you know, CPAP machines, water bottles, cell phones, books, entertainment galore. TV backer location, and you're also prepped for the King Wi-Fi system, so that way you can hit up, you know, like AT&T or Verizon, get the 4G, 5G LTE. A little mini hanging closet, but you're also prepped if you want to get one of those combo washer and dryers there as well. 3 of these, 1 of these, and 2 doors for these. But what do you guys think? Winner? Loser? I don't know. I think it's pretty cool. I think this is something that I could see, you know, us in. We're really trying to saving up to do a couple things. We got a little bit of, got one of the boys with cavities. Unfortunately, we had a root canal, so he's costing me quite a bit of moolah. But after that, we're trying to save up to travel. She's never seen the Grand Canyon. We want to go to Redwood. There's all sorts of places. And I'm really considering, now that my daughter's getting just a hair older, getting one of these puppies and just kind of go zipping around making videos. But all right, guys, again, all the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes are down in the description. But again, this is the 2024 Durango Half Ton 286 BHD. The front cap is really nice, kind of clean and crisp. You also have the lighting on both sides. You're also going to have a lot of storage up here on the front. Heated and enclosed underbelly there as well. You're also going to be prepped up for the 3-camera safety system. There's your solar charge controller. But again, I mean, that pass-through storage, fantastic. Kind of that rough, tough, beat me up flex material. You also have your inverter, and then you have a JBL speaker. This is where you're prepped for the observation camera. So when you're driving down the road, you know, that's the kind of view that you're going to be getting. And then if you put one on the back, you know, you can really see, like, good to go. The steps flip up into the doorway. You have the extra large grab handle here that is very easy to, you know, just collapse and kind of put away. You also have the screen door that's going to be on the slingshot. So if you're carrying in groceries, you kick it open. Don't worry about it, you know, coming back. It's got you. Little leash latch for your furry friend. 2-year warranty on all the KZs, which is absolutely fantastic. And the 4 Seasons weather package. You're also going to get the Goodyear tires too, along with the MoRide CRE 3000. So a little bit of a smoother drive for you with an upgraded tire, which is always nice. Frameless windows and big awnings with the LED lights. So this entire side of the RV is just going to be covered in shade if you would like. Electric auto level control. So you got the ground control 3.0. And then this has tape on it, but this is about enough room for about a 30-pack of apple juice. Suburban griddle right there, so get your cooking up on your, you know, your eggs, your bacon, your tofus, whatever it is, depending on what kind of person you are. Stainless steel bowl that is plumbed. Plus you got one of these, you know, little sinks. Surely there's not some jokes there to be made. On the back, you do have the tow package, so 3,000-pound tow rating, but you also have a 300-pound hitch rating, so you can put on, you know, your bicycle rack, your extra storage totes, you know, all that good stuff. You're also going to be, there's the backup camera portion, geez, oh Pete's, and a ladder to get on top of your roof to check your seals, check your slides. This is going to be a walkable roof here on the Durango, and that is pretty darn cool. Hadn't seen that, was not expecting that either. That is really nice. So right there is going to be one of your dump locations. So that's going to be for your wastewater and sewer outlet connection. Just for the slides. That's what you're looking at. Excuse me. There's your low point drain and your other dump connection, and then your valves that you pull too. 50 amp service. This is going to be where you plug it in. You also got a little light, hot and cold water in the form of an outside shower, city water connection, black tank flush, which is a sprinkler system for your poop tank, and then all of your different valves as well, you know, to make just life a little bit easier when you're, you know, taking the unit down for the year. Propane bottles. But that about wraps it up, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I hope to catch you next time. Again, this is the 2024 Durango Half Ton 286 BHD, the open concept bunk model. See you. Meow, 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 meow.